Very good morning, students. Today also we are going to continue the same chapter, pair of linear equations in two variables. So we have completed the two methods of solving x and y. Solution for x and y can be obtained in two methods, that is substitution method and elimination method we have seen in our last classes. And one more method is remained, that is cross multiplication method. So in between these methods we come across with one very good important question, that is digits and reversing digits related question. So that question is there on the board. Let us solve this. After that we are going to continue the cross multiplication method. Come on, let us see this question. Let us see the question. The sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits is 66. If the digit of the number is differed by 2, find the number. How many such numbers are there? See, we have to understand this very neatly. See here, sum of the two-digit numbers. First of all, we should come to know what are two-digit numbers. The two-digit numbers are starting from 10, 11, 12, 99. From 10 to 99, we have many two-digit numbers. Symbolically, I write this two-digit number as xy. See, this 10 can be written as 10 plus 1. So this 12 can be written as 12 is equal to 10 plus 2. So this 10 is denoted as 1 into 10 plus 2 into 1. If this is 32, 30 plus 2, 3 into 10 plus 2 into 1. See here, this is the 10th place, this is the unit place. That we need to remember. Instead of this 32, if xy is there, x multiplied by 10 plus y multiplied by 1. We need to understand this 10 is the unit place and 1 is the 10 is the 10th place and 1 is the unit place. If there is 12, this 1 is the 10th place and 2 is the unit place. We know that. I am just recalling it. If we recall that, then this answering for the question will be easy. For example, if I write xy, see this x is in 10th place and y is there in unit place. I write this x multiplied by 10 plus y multiplied by 1 as it is. I have written here 32 means 30 plus 2. 30 plus 2 can be written as 3 multiplied by 10. 2 can be written as 2 multiplied by 1. This 1 is in unit place and that is 10th place. Like that here 10 is 10th place and 1 is unit place. If we write this as yx, then y multiplied by 10 plus x multiplied by 1. So xy can be written as 10x plus 1. Yx can be written as 10y plus x. See here, x into 10, 10x. Y into 1, y. 10 into y, 10y. X into 1, x. This is the thing. xy and yx are the two-digit numbers. xy is a number, two-digit number. I have made it reverse. It has become yx. When it is xy, I can write 10x plus y. When it is yx, I can write 10y plus x. So this is the thing you need to remember. Let's go to solve this. I left everything as it is because this will come in the middle of this answer. Okay. The sum of two-digit number. What is the two-digit number? What is the two-digit number? You don't know. I write sum of two-digit number. The number obtained by reversing the digits. So let xy be the two-digit number. xy, I have written yx. Yx is the number obtained by reversing the digit. Okay, xy is the two-digit number, and yx is the number obtained by reversing the digits. In the place of x I have written y, in the place of y I have written x. See, sum of this number and this number, sum of two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing it, this number and this number will be equal to 66. That is, therefore, xy plus yx is equal to 66. This is the two-digit number. This is the number obtained by reversing the digit. Will be 66. If the digits, so single digit, double digit, unit place, place. If the digits of the number is different by 2, I mean, if x minus y is equal to 2, then find the number. Then we have to find the number. So let us find it out. What's there? Everything is easy. Come on. So the xy can be written as, see here, 10x plus 5. Yx can be written as 10y plus 6. That is equal to 6. See here, 10x and ax will be 11x. 10y and y will be 11 is equal to 66. 11 will be the LCM. X plus y is equal to 66. X plus y is equal to 66 by 11. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 11 to 11 6. We have x minus y is equal to 2. Therefore, we can easily obtain x minus y is equal to 2. Let us call this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. X plus y is equal to 6. On adding these two equations, on adding these two equations, this will be 2x and this will be cancelled. So 8. X is equal to 8 by 2. So that x is equal to 4. So this is equation 3. Applying equation 3 in equation 1. So what is equation 1? Equation 1, x minus y is equal to 2. But we have x is equal to 4 minus y is equal to 2. So 4 minus 2 is equal to y. Therefore y is equal to 2. See, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. Let us verify this verification. See that xy plus yx is equal to 66. What is x here? That is 4. What is y? That is 2. 42, 24 is equal to 66. 42 is the number. By reversing this 42, we get 24. 42 plus 24 will be 66. Looking like very simple when we know the very basics of this, isn't it? If we have some kind of basic information before starting this problem, it will be very easy for us to know and understand the problem well. This is the easiest question. Many problems are there like this. You please try and solve that. And we are going for cross multiplication method. Okay, thank you. Dear students, now we are going to see the cross multiplication method. To understand this cross multiplication method, we need some explanation. Let us do it. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These are the pair of linear equations. See here, x is one variable and y is another variable. x1, a1 and a2 are coefficients of x, b1 and b2 are coefficients of y, and c1 and c2 are constants. See, this is the pair of linear equations. Dear students, now we are going to continue the third method of solving x and y value, that is cross multiplication method. So the pair of linear equations I have written on the board, given x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. See here, x is one variable, y is another variable. a1, a2 are the coefficients of x, b1, b2 are the coefficients of y, and c1, c2 are the constants. By using these coefficients and constants, we are going to formulate a formula for cross multiplication. Let us see how we are going to formulate the formula. First we have to find out the value of x, and then we have to find out the value of y. Then the constant c1 and c2. This is the x coefficient and this is y. This is x and this is y and this is 1. The coefficient of x are a1 and a2. The coefficients of y are b1 and b2, and the constant c1 and c2. First I'll write b1 and b2. b1 and b2 are the y coefficients. c1 and c2 constants. a1 and a2 y coefficients. b1 and b2 y coefficients. See here, x and y coefficients constants. X is there, which will be multiplied by y coefficients and constants. Y is there, which will be multiplied by constants and x coefficients. 1 is there, so which will be multiplied by x coefficients and y coefficients. See, x divided by b1 minus b1 c2 minus b2 c1, that is equal to y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1, that is equal to 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b2. See here, a1 and a2, c1 and c2, and b1 and b2. These are the coefficients and constant, we know that. X is dealing with coefficients of y and constants. X is dealing with y coefficients and constants. See, y coefficients and constants. Y is dealing with x coefficients and constant, not b1, b2. Y is dealing with c1 and c2 are constants, a1 and a2 are y x coefficients. One is dealing with both x coefficients and y coefficients. When x comes, b1, b2 comes multiplied, b1, b2 multiplied by c1, c2. When y comes, a1, a2 and c1, c2 will be multiplied. When c1 comes, constant comes, a1, a2, b1, b2. So this is the way to extract the formula, and this is the formula. If we use this formula to understand this formula, this is the very easiest method. Okay, if we solve some of the problems, then this formula will be there in mind to solve the problem now. Students, we have a problem on cross multiplication method. Let us see that. See here, 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0, 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0, solved by cross multiplication method. So from this solution, from this question, we have to extract a1 and a2 value, and b1 and b2 value, and c1 and c2 value. What is the value of a1? That is 2. What is the value of a2? That is 3. b1, that is equal to 1. b2, that is equal to 2. c1, that is equal to minus 5. c2, that is equal to minus 8. We have extracted all the values. So we have the formula there. Let us extract. To find out the x value, first I should write x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1. That is equal to last one, 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. See here, x divided by what is the value of b1, that is 1. What is the value of b2, that is minus 8, minus b2 2, c1 that is minus 5, that is equal to 1 divided by a1 b2 2 by 2 multiplied by 2 minus a2 b1 3 multiplied by 1. So this is equal to x divided by minus 8 minus into minus plus 10, that is equal to 1 divided by 4 minus 3 x divided by 2, that is equal to 1 by 1. So by doing cross multiplication we will get x value, that is equal to 0. So we have found out the x value. Okay. In order to find out y value, what we have to write? We have to write the same thing here. X y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1, that is equal to 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Therefore y is equal to, what is c1 here? Minus 5. What is a2 there? 3 minus. What is c2 here? Minus 8. And what is a1? That is 2 is equal to 1 divided by, what is a1 there? 2. What is b2? Again 2 minus. What is a2? That is 3. What is b1? That is 1. So that's it. So y divided by minus 50 minus into minus plus 8 is a 60, that is equal to 1 divided by 2 is a 4 minus 3 is a 3. Y divided by 16 minus 15, that is 1. 4 minus 3, that is 1. So the value of y that will be equal to 1. We have found out the x value and y value like this. This is cross multiplication way of solving x and y. This is lengthy process and we have to keep this formula in mind, and I told you how to remember this formula. Very simple. I explain once again. See here, in order to find out x, these will be multiplied. In order to find out y, a1, these two will be multiplied. In order to find out 1 is that this is the reference thing. This is the reference thing. That is not we are going to find it out. So in order to find out x, these two are multiplied. In order to find out y, these two will be multiplied. Along with it, this will be there. Okay. This is how you need to remember the formula. If you remember the formula, then by using the question, you can easily find out the value of x and y. And this will be an optional question for you. I mean, they will not particularly ask you to find out the value of x and y by cross multiplication method. In any of the method they may ask. So you can use by elimination method, that is very easy. By elimination method you can solve the problem. So option will be there, either substitution method or elimination method or cross multiplication method. So this is just an example to show you that how the cross multiplication method of solving x and y will be there. Okay, thank you. We'll solve one more problem and go for the next concept. Thank you.